Dr. Nirmala A P. I am coming from Mysore. I have joined this FRM online courses 9 months back. The online lecture classes are extremely good. They're all very informative. I have attended all the classes. We have all experienced teachers on board, and in a week we used to have 2 online theory classes. For past 9 months we have finished. Now I have come for the simulation course at Bangalore. In a modules they'll teach us how to retrieve the oocytes, and along with that there are IUI models, histoscopy model and embryo transfer models. Now I am confident of doing oocyte retrieval, and for the past 10 years I was very much interested in doing IVF. We didn't had any option for the online classes. All were offline. When I came to know about these online classes, I'm extremely happy because without compromising my practice, I am able to do. Dilip sir has taken classes regarding the andrology. It is fantastic. In depth he taught us. And Shantala madam is also, she spoke all about genetic ovulation induction protocols, DNRS agonist, antagonist. Especially there is a lot of confusion for us previously, but she explained in a very simple way, and her classes are extremely good. And most of the time our classes something like interactive sessions, and she'll ask the questions, get the answer from us, and it's really fantastic. Definitely after finishing this, I'm going to start my own IVF center. I got the confidence because I joined here. I'm extremely thankful to Medline Academics and Dr. Kamini Rao. Thank you.